This is the 1980 Tatung model LB16. I just got done cleaning it all up and oiling it for the first time since I've had it. This is actually in another fan that's been in the family since it was new, and I ended up with this in 1995. So fair, I've had it for close to 20 years. Other than the base yellowed a little bit. It doesn't look that bad on camera. Blades are shiny. I'm going to turn it on. We'll start on high. This is medium. This fan is hardly even turning and it's blowing a crap load of air. I'm gonna do another thing. Stop it. Observe spin down time. Which is exceedingly long.
Yep.
Tatung, if I remember right, is a Taiwanese company. Okay, I'm gonna start it up on low. There's low. And I'll just jump right to high. Hang on. That's oscillation. And now, thing is, it does move quite a bit of air. I'm gonna stand back 27 feet away. It's amazing how much air is being thrown over here. And there you go, the freshly cleaned up and maintenanced 1980 Tatung LB16. That's my grandfather, but look, there's the Tatung. This video is from 1993. That's my grandmother. Yep, there it is. So that's where that fan was back in the day.